first off a little bit of singing this morning because it is Easter, so I should have started this whole message with Happy Easter, but you know, in live you can't do anything about that when you make a mistake. So, Happy Easter everyone, and we're glad you're here in any way, shape, or form. We hope this brings you some joy this Easter Sunday morning. Probably about 5 minutes ago I did post lyrics for Jesus Christ is Risen Today, which we will be doing this morning live in about a minute or so. So if you want to scroll up the page and find those lyrics, they are on the Trinity United Church Facebook page, or if you know it off by heart, then just sing along. Also, after we're done this, immediately after Jesus Christ is Risen Today, there will be a bell ringing. So Irene Romanoli, who is here over there, will be taking you outside. So we hope that's as graceful as possible and you'll enjoy that. If you are close to the church, you can probably open up your own windows and hear the bell ringing. So, and after that, we invite you to, although this live cast will be finishing, we do invite you to go to the Trinity United Church website at trinitybeamsville.ca, where you will find the today's worship service as well as the sunrise service from this morning. So, lots of things to do today, but we're going to start off with Jesus Christ is Risen Today.